Yo, what's up everybody? So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. Never did one before, so figured I'd do one. Let me show you guys. So we got two parts. I'm not sure, you probably already know by the title of this video, is Jay's Racing part and a Mugen part, however you say it. But here is one part. It's a big ass box. And then here's another one. So I've been waiting for this for 9 months and this for about 4 months. I don't know why. And I'm still waiting on something else, and it's about to be, well, it's already been a year. It's a year and like 2 months and still counting. Like, I don't know what's going on with all these parts coming from Japan, but anyway, I don't want to keep talking too much. I'm gonna just unbox and see what we got. I mean, well, I'm not sure if I already must say it in the title, but I got a steering wheel and a Jay's Racing carbon rear diffuser. As you can see, carbon diffuser. So I'm really excited. I've been waiting for this for a long time. So let's open it up. This thing is light as hell. Imagine they send me an empty box. That would really suck if it's an empty box. Let me get something better to open. Yeah. All right. Here it is. This thing is pretty light. This is the instructions, I guess. Yeah, which I can't read, but comes with the brackets already. That's good. So this is the authentic Jay's Racing rear diffuser. A lot of people get the Jay's Racing style, but I like being extra. I had to get the authentic. Let me take off this plastic. Alright, finally we got this thing unboxed, and this is obviously the underside, so the brackets are gonna go here. There's already pre-made drill holes, which is pretty cool. I don't have to drill holes myself. Yeah, there's holes everywhere. But let me flip this over. So, I got the carbon fiber edition. So this thing looks nice. Whew. Finally, I got this. I've been wanting a rear diffuser for like, since forever. I just never, you know, purchased one. Since I first got into the car, I remember I seen it on a car back in like 2013. I bought my car in 2012, and I always liked this diffuser. I'm glad I finally was able to get one. And then here are the brackets in here. Just open them, I guess. I'm probably not gonna do it. I'm probably gonna make another video for install because I don't have my car right now. So yeah, and it's probably gonna take me like 3 days to install it, because it's usually how it goes. Something so simple takes forever. But hold on a second. Got all the brackets and bolts, it looks like, which is great. I don't have to go out looking for any. So I'm just glad, you know. Looks like a simple install. So let's hope it is. Oh, what happened here? That's not nice. Other than that, everywhere else looks pretty good. That's probably the only thing, but yeah. So yeah, hopefully I get to install that this weekend, and let's go on with the other package. Where is the flathead I lost? Here is my steering wheel, finally. Purchased it from King Motorsports. They have almost every single Mugen parts, so check them out for all your Mugen needs. Nice. Comes with the horn. There you see it. And I don't have my head strap right here, so put this thing down again. All right, here. This is what is this saying? Oh, how to verify authenticity. So yeah. Some instructions here, pictures here. I mean, I already installed the steering wheels, shouldn't be too bad. But here it is. It's the Mugen leather steering wheel with red stitching, and I actually went with the leather because my hands always be sweaty, and I didn't want to get suede and then messes up after a while. You know, it looks good at first until it starts getting damaged and starts looking ugly. But so that's gonna look nice. I'm probably gonna install this first, but I'll probably have a video for both of these. Yeah, so it's not really much to say about it, but made in Italy. Hopefully, I know it's gonna look good, and I'm just glad finally I got it. Literally, for the steering wheel, I waited like 4 months. That's been out of stock, and the carbon rear diffuser, like I was told it was like 6-7 months after motoring, and of course it ended up being more after I bought it. I don't know, like I said, I'm still waiting for one more part. No, I'm waiting for 2 more parts actually, and that's a lie as well. They said that will come in like 4 weeks after being made, this that, like I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you guys want to see more of this, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this, the Jay's Racing carbon rear diffuser, Mugen steering wheel. Which one would you go for, leather or the suede? And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, peace.